good morning, Philippines. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all people around the world. So right now, I'm gonna cook our Filipinos' favorite sinigang na isda or fish sour soup without using water. Take note, fish sour soup without using water. How I'm gonna make it? You have to watch me from the beginning till the end so you're gonna learn how to do it. First, I need a cookware, Saladmaster, Saladmaster MP5 or Saladmaster multi-purpose 5 quarts. And of course, this is electric. So I have approved here. I program already for 150 degrees Fahrenheit. And then you're gonna put your tomatoes. I have like 3.5 big tomatoes. And of course, so now I'm gonna add garlic. This is 3 garlic and ginger, 2 inches of ginger. And onions. Always put when you're gonna make sinigang or fish sour soup, always put on the bottom onions, ginger, garlic, and tomatoes. And then, because the fish is frozen, so I'm gonna show you, it's still frozen. It's from the freezer. So, see guys, it's still frozen. So, this is basa stick fish. Basa stick fish. Sorry guys for pronunciation, It's not my first language, it's second language. So this one, because it's sealed, you don't have to wash it because it's passed already for the food inspection. So just gonna put in there. And I'm gonna use this is cooked already because it's frozen. So I'm just gonna put on the top of the fish. It's chickpeas, black and white color chickpeas. I'm gonna add the radish, white radish. And I'm gonna add the eggplant, 1 eggplant. So that one radish and this one is 1 eggplant. I like more vegetables on it. And I have chayote from my garden, the last harvest. Just add everything, tambak-tambak system. And I have broccoli here. So sinigang is okay with broccoli because the fish, it won't say that, oh, you cannot add me the broccoli. And I have another one here, turnip, 1 turnip. So all vegetables in the kitchen, I'm just gonna add on. And my favorite is okra, of course. It's become dark because it's like 5 days already in the fridge. So, but it's still edible. So I still wanna eat that. And later on, when it's cooked already after 24 minutes or 20 minutes because the fish are frozen, so I'm gonna add lime. Instead of lemon, because I'm run out of lemon, I'm gonna add a lime. So now, just close the lid. You see guys, I didn't add any seasoning. So it has to be flattened. So after 24 minutes, the big pot of my fish soup sinigang, fish sour soup sinigang, or sinigang na isda in our language, is gonna be cooked, guys. So now let's check out our sinigang na walang tubig or fish sour soup without using water. So I set the timer for 24 minutes. So now, still some left, 8 minutes. So 24 minus 8, it's like 16 minutes, it's only 16 minutes. So let's check it out. The food inside, oh my god, it's cooked already. Look at that guys, I didn't add any water on it, and now there's water inside. Because the the vegetables become watery when you are cooking. Now, I'm gonna remove this one because it's cooked already. I don't want the vegetable become overcooked. So now, because it's cooked already, only this is the time to put the lime to be sour. So that's how you make your tambak-tambak system sinigang na walang tubig. So, I'm using like 1.5 lime. Because I want to be sour. Or maybe I'm gonna finish the 2 limes. Now, because in Saladmaster cooking system, we don't do the stirring. So, I'm gonna close the lid after adding the lime and shake it like this. So, it won't ruin the fish or it won't break the fish. It's gonna be intact inside of Saladmaster pot. Shake it, baby. Shake, shake, shake. Shake it, baby. Now, open up. It's shake it already. And it's the time to taste the sinigang soup. Oh my God, it's a lot of, look at it, look at that, guys. A lot of, see? The water. I didn't add water when I cook it. Now it's a lot of water or fish soup, sinigang with vegetables. Oh my God, this is the best sinigang. I love it. So guys, thank you for watching. God bless us all. Bon appetit. Let's eat. It's my dinner time now. So good morning everyone in the Philippines. Ito ang sinigang na walang tubig pag niluto. But after you cook the fish sour soup without using water, after it's cooked, it's done cooking, it's gonna have a lot of soup because of the vegetables and a lot of tomatoes I use. So if you want your sinigang or cocido in Spanish be very delicious, so if you want to be very delicious, your sinigang, put a lot of tomatoes, guys. That's one of my secret for my sinigang or fish sour soup delicious taste. It's the best. Always use all natural ingredients, not the sinigang mix or whatever. This is the best because sinigang mix a lot of chemicals, guys. So to be healthy, use all natural ingredients. That what I show you here on my video. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. And I can show you the vegetables. See, it's all cooked, guys. So it's only 16 minutes. So it's all cooked. There you go. I think I break one of the fish because I really wanna eat now my sinigang. So these are my favorite, the okra. It's good for constipated, but I'm not constipated, guys. I just wanna be easy doing it when I go to the washroom. I don't wanna have a constipation when I'm doing it, the business in the washroom. See guys, it's super sarap, super yummy, and a lot of protein because chickpeas has a lot of protein. See, you can see guys, a lot of soup now. Even I didn't add any water on it. At ito na ang aking dinner. Yummy, yummy guys. Yummy, yummy. Sarap. Once ganito ang aking pagkain, napapadami ang aking kain. Sira ang diet.